Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare, specifically La Mer. And La Mer has recently launched a new product and it is called their Hydrating Infused Emulsion. Now, I am going to unbox the product for the first time for you. I'm going to try it for the first time on camera with you. And I'm going to give you my first impressions. And then I'm going to do another video showing you guys what I think, at another time, because it takes weeks of me trying these products before I could even do reviews. But I wanted to share this unboxing with you guys because we love La Mer on this channel. And you guys know I love me some La Mer, especially the Miracle Broth. So let's pop this open. Just unwrap this. Let's just get right into it because this is like Christmas morning. Okay, sorry, I'm excited. Honestly, this has been sitting for a second. At first, Nordstrom was the only one that was able to sell it. It was like the preview. They had like exclusive rights to sell it. My SA sold it to me quite early, but I didn't get a chance to like open it until now. And now it's on the La Mer website. So, oh no, it says coming soon. So you can't even buy it on the La Mer website yet. It says coming soon, but you can still purchase it at Nordstrom exclusively. And there she is. Voila. Oh my God. I love this green box. I love getting this green box and just like seeing like the La Mer here. And it's just like, oh my God, especially when like the plastic still on it. Cause you just know it's like it's a fresh package. It's a fresh package and I'm ready to rock. So I'm going to just open this up. Guys, it's classic La Mer packaging. There's nothing like out of the ordinary with its packaging. It's not in their Gensaissancedelamer line. Their Gensaissancedelamer line comes in like silver packaging and it's a totally different like fermentation. This seems like it's in their original La Mer line, which we're obsessed with. I love it. I love how I smell the packaging. That's so weird, Morgan. Stop. But okay, so here we go. And we're going to just open it up and pop it out. So this looks like how their serums are packaged, honestly. It's got that green ombre look that we're obsessed with. The Hydrating Infused Emulsion. So now this is yet another step in your La Mer routines. I actually joined like a call on Nordstrom, like my SA invited me. This goes on as your last step before your La Mer moisturizers. So you, like I'm talking, you do your cleanser, you do your lotion, you do your concentrate, you do your serum, then you go in with the emulsion, then you go in with the moisturizer. See what I'm saying? But it always has to go this, then the moisturizer. This is always the last step. So we're always adding more and more steps of layering the Miracle Broth, which I am all for. I love a lengthy skincare routine. The more steps that I can layer comfortably with Miracle Broth, personally, the better for me. Guys, we are in August now. And for me, I start to become like a little skincare pack rat. I'm like, all right, time to like start like harvesting like skincare products for the winter because like I have combo skin, and as soon as September hits though, my skin just starts going haywire and like my skin goes through this change. Like summer, like it kind of stays the same, and then as soon as like autumn hits and the season starts changing, my skin just starts changing and it needs a different routine. So I honestly, once I saw them drop this emulsion, I was like, oh, my skin's gonna love this because it just needs that extra layer of moisture and it needs to be the Miracle Broth. So let's just pop it open. Love this. Thank you, La Mer. Thank you. We need more applications like this by La Mer. The scooping of the products, I love the idea of, warming things up. I love the fancy little applicators that La Mer has with their eye products and the little wands. But honestly, it's even with like the concentrate with the little spatulas. But honestly, we need more of this. We need more of this for sanitation purposes, effectiveness, and of course, cost per wear. I think we just have better control. So I'm so happy to see an applicator like this. That's my first impression on the packaging. Of course, I wish the packaging was glass. I wish it was a little heavier. I just wish for the cost of La Mer, I just would like to see a heavier, more luxurious packaging when it comes to this. However, this isn't very, very expensive for La Mer, specifically this product. So let's go over pricing. The pricing for this product is, you know what? They don't have it on the La Mer website yet. Let's go on Nordstrom. The sizes it comes in is 1.69 ounce. That's what I have right here. And then 4.23 ounces, which is a lot. It is $110, which that's how much this is, which is not expensive for La Mer at all. $110, honestly, for La Mer is a bargain. And then $250 for 4 ounces. So over 4 ounces, which I think is really fair. A Nordstrom exclusive nourishing emulsion to protect and defend skin from dryness, helping it feel more soft and supple. Guys, this is just another layer of beautiful, luxurious miracle brothness. Like, it's just another beautiful layer. The nutrient-rich emulsion delivers all-day hydration with an ultra lightweight feel that protects skin and helps stabilize its moisture barrier. Its fluid, quick-absorbing texture glides on effortlessly, leaving behind only your most radiant, healthy-looking skin. The appearance of fine lines and pores are visibly reduced in a clinical test. Great. So this is just basically another layer of hydration. First 2 ingredients are algae extract. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We got that algae extract. Algae extract. Yes, ma'am. Where's that from? Vancouver? Is that from Vancouver, La Mer? That's what I'm talking about. You harvesting that from Vancouver? That La Mer harvest, that annual La Mer harvest that Ms. Morgan Talks wants to attend? That's what I'm talking about. Squalene is ingredient number 3. Let's just get this on my skin right now. All right, so we're gonna first impression on the pump. First impression on the pump. Okay, see, this is when I start losing my cool, and this is when I start going crazy. Hold on. Do you hear that? Ah. Oh my God. Okay. Everybody move. Everybody move. 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 Move! Move! Okay. Okay, so it's milky. It's milky. Oh my God, it smells just like all the La Mer products. Oh my God. Okay. I have to see it first, guys. I'm so sorry. Hold on. Oh my God, it's so milky. Hold on. First impression. This is first impression, guys. This is live and first impression. Okay, all right, not greasy whatsoever. Not greasy, not so silky. It's so thin. Here we go, milky and thin. First 2 reactions, milky, thin, and hydrating. Do you see how smooth that is on my hand there? Oh my God, it's so nice. Oh my God, and a little goes a long way. Oh my God, that little bit is covering all of this. No problem, with some to spare. Holy crow, I was expecting for this to be like cost per wear, like really bad. This is going right down my neck. Wait, what's the application instructions? Because you all know La Mer gives us the most when it comes. This is made in the USA. Safe for sensitive and acne prone skin. Duh, it's La Mer. Wait, where's the instructions on this? Hold on, because you know La Mer's got that extra instructions always on the application process. It actually requires 2 pumps. Honestly, you could almost get away with 1. Honestly, I am so impressed by the cost per wear on this. To infuse the skin with nourishing hydration, apply 2 pumps onto fingertips morning and night and smooth evenly over face and neck to protect and defend it from dryness to help it feel soft and supple. Follow with a face moisturizer. So it doesn't even say a La Mer face moisture. It just says a face moisturizer. Guys, I'm getting away with 1 pump. And honestly, the way I'm moving this is just by tapping it. Like smoothing and then tapping, because it always gets that La Mer, like a little tackiness at the end. You know how like La Mer just gets that little bit of tackiness? I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm gonna keep it 100. I'm gonna keep it 100. When my essay told me about this, I was like, oh, an emulsion that only Nordstrom is producing for La Mer. Okay. So then I was like, thinking to myself, I was like, well, one, thank you, James, for alerting me of this, of course. Like, of course, always alert Morgan of New Miracle Broth. Like, always, first and foremost, Morgan needs to be aware. Two, I was just thinking, oh, just a filler product. That's what I was thinking. I was like, this is a filler product. Like, I don't know, like, but honestly, I'm impressed. Oh. Beautiful. Could you imagine, honestly, this mixed with one of the lotions, whether it be the gensaissancedelamer or the treatment lotion, mix this with that, like put one of those lotions on and then put this on and then a La Mer moisturizer, your skin is going to be insane because this gives you the feeling of all those products just in this little emulsion. I don't, honestly, I'm very, 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 very impressed. It's got a 24-month shelf life, which I think is nice. Honestly, I'm super shook. That's my first impression right now. I'm not going to go too much further into this because, like, honestly, I'm super impressed, and I think the price is beyond fair. And honestly, La Mer, like, thank you, because I think I was just on here complaining about more accessible La Mer to people because I was upset. And honestly, this is a great product for people to even start as an entryway into La Mer. I like this a lot, and I'm so happy that I took the plunge and just purchased it without judging it too much. So guys, first impressions, this is all I got for you. Everybody, thanks so much for watching, and I just got a little too excited, but I can't help it because it's La Mer and the Miracle Broth, and honestly, once again, I'm not disappointed. I just can't believe that I have yet another layer to smother all over my face. Everybody, I hope you guys have a great, beautiful, luxurious Miracle Broth filled day. And La Mer, you did it again. If you like these videos, subscribe below. If you're into luxury skincare, definitely subscribe below. If you hate luxury skincare, you know what? Still subscribe below and watch my videos for all the tea. I love you guys. Stay luxe, stay fabulous, stay glowing, stay smooth, stay healthy. Bye.